make sure to stay till the end. You do not have 2 cabin air filters, you actually have 4, and 2 of those are extremely hidden. We will explain where to find them today. So check this thing out, you have 4 filters, and guys, those are turbo, okay? You can see, that will make you see, guys, that's the recirculation cabin filters that smells like turbo dust. And then you have these ones, that's for the outside, okay? And quite a few things fall off of this one as well. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3 X4 generation F25 F26. If you need to remove or replace cabin air filter, guys, you actually have 4 of these. I'm not kidding, 4 at different locations. One is for the air coming from the outside towards the inside of the vehicle, and the other one is the recirculation air that's from inside the cabin. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stay till the end. We'll start with the outside first, then we'll switch towards the inside. Very helpful information will be shared today with you guys. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos, guys. We're constantly getting new cars here at the garage, working on that BMW now. We got a Dodge Challenger that will be working. We have more than 15 vehicles waiting to be shot, guys, so videos are coming all the time. If you need help with anything, leave a comment below our videos and we'll try to make a video for your problem. That way we can help you, we can help other people with that problem, and we can build a community where we help each other. If you need to buy any parts tools for your car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, guys, and you can save a ton of money. So we're going to go ahead and remove that seal now here. Okay, here, guys, okay, we'll need to remove that seal too. Here actually I actually fixed those before because I had to install zip tie because I lost pressure and the connector here was damaged. I need to open this one now. Okay, this one opens. let me just grab a small screwdriver, guys. Okay, let me see if I have anything to open it with. Okay, this one didn't work because I think that clip, otherwise I will damage it if I... That piece there, okay, needs to be pushed out, but oh, it came out this way. Perfect. Now we're going to grab that cover here. I'm going to pull that seal a little bit as well to the side. Here we have one clip that we're going to press. This one will come out and it will come this way. You can see just like that. Now, okay, right there. Here we have one more clip that we're going to pull that way. Okay, it will come out now. Need to lift it up a little bit. Okay, perfect. We have one cabin filter here, and there is another one too. So let me investigate now to see, okay, how this one actually goes here, how it attaches to the other one. So let's see now. This one, okay, on the bottom, I think it comes loose. Let me see if I can go ahead. Okay, and pull that thing now, right there, on the side. You have 4 of these. Okay, and the filters come out, okay, just like that. 2 filters, guys. Oh, look at that, how nasty that is. But now, stay with us, guys. You actually have 2 more hidden, not just those. You have other filters as well in the cabin. So we're going to talk about that too. Because you think those are the only cabin filters? No, you guys have 4 different cabin filters on your BMW X3 X4. So we'll get the new ones and replace those now, and then we'll explain about the other ones. So now we're going to grab the new ones. Okay, right there. Perfect. we're going to go ahead, okay, and investigate now. So this is one filter, perfect, and the other one goes, okay, those are the old ones that are, by the way, nasty. Okay, be careful not to punch a hole in them when we pull them, because they will not work effectively if we have a hole. And we need to, okay, airflow, you can see both of the arrows needs to point towards each other, because it sucks from the top and the bottom as well, guys. So airflow in our case, one needs to be on the bottom, on top, pointing towards the bottom, and the other one will be the other way. Okay, it will need to be this way. And this one will go first there. Okay, they're not glued together, so we'll need to first, okay, install one of them and then the other one. So let me see now, okay, if we can do it that way, because that's how it's made. Okay, the other ones are practically glued together. Okay, give me a second here. This one is in. Now I'm working on that one now. Okay, and I want to inspect the bottom one. Everything looks perfect with the blue towards the other half. And now we're going to go ahead, cover this one. Okay, this one goes in a specific way too. Let me just see, there is two clips on the back side that need to slide. These two things need to slide. So you need to have it perfect. Come on. I need to come more to this side. Okay, that's great. I didn't see that. Close it. Okay, and here we'll need to install our cover now. Careful with that wire here. Here will come in an angle through the holes. Go this way. Align everything. Push down here on the clip. Install that. Put the clip here. Then we're going to install our weather seal. That needs to stay here to hold everything in place. Then we have this little piece. Okay, this one was the other way. Installed like that. And now let's go ahead and do the ones on the inside. So we're going to go ahead and open the glove box. Once you open your glove box, guys, you're going to see right here. Okay, we need to hold kind of like that so you can see. We have that notch right here that we're going to push, and we're going to remove that cover. Right here we have another cover that we have two little bitty things that we're going to push. Once I remove them, I'm going to show you. Okay, where each one of those is located. Give me just a second, because it's hard to get to it, and you're going to remove. Now this one, okay, you can see I'm talking about these two things. You pry down, kind of like at the same time. This is one of the recirculation filters. We have two, guys. Okay, let me see how I'm going to pull that thing down now. Okay, one is out. And let me show you now how nasty it is. Okay, that's the recirculation filter, all the dust, dirt, okay, that's in the cabin, and when you have the recirculation button, everything goes through that thing, so that needs to go. Now, you have one more which is next to it, that we're going to go ahead and slide over. Okay, let me see how I'm going to grab it, because we need to slide it over. Okay, perfect. To the right side. Okay, just like that. So we're going to slide it over all the way to the right, and the moment we do that, I'm going to grab that thing. Let me see how exactly. And it's going to come out. Okay, check this thing out. Out of the glove box, guys. And this one, nasty too. You can check this thing out. So we're going to go ahead, get the arrow pointing up, and we're going to go through the hole here. Going to push it all the way in, and now we need to slide it over to the left, guys. All the way to the left. It's in. Now we're going to get the second one and install this one too. This is amazing feature that this car has. Recirculation filters are amazing for the cabin. At that point we need to install our cover here. Okay, perfect, it closed, and all we have to do is install this cover here and we're ready, guys. You can see just like that. So that's how you guys replace the cabin recirculation filter and the cabin air filter. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.